worth it. Oh, Jesse. Whoa!
In our last video, we were hanging out at Lahungan Suite. Now it's time to carry on to Amed.
Highly suggest going to Lahungan Suite, guys, even if it's just for the view on the way up. This place is spectacular. There's no point in putting the drone out because it's just beautiful from here. Crazy beautiful. Like even more beautiful than my wife.
Boy, he's lucky we're in another country and I'm not sure if I'll get away with murder.
So we've just stopped on the side of the mountain to let our brakes cool down because as you see it's pretty gnarly down this hill. And we stopped at the most perfect little waterfall here. And Jess is going to see how far he can get. I wouldn't go that way.
Go across here.
I'd go down that way and zigzag back up. Shall I go with him?
Yes, please go with him.
All right, it's recording.
I'm going to stay with our stuff. And also be prepared to take Jessie to hospital. Or Luke. Probably Luke, let's be honest. After much mucking around, some local kids came to the rescue. You got something there? Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, they said go across the rocks. Yeah.
Oh, I'm here.
Go across those big rocks, yeah?
Yes.
Shoes off. With no shoes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably.
Tidak sepatu?
Yes.
Yeah. I think they're going to come show ya. Ah. Oi. Yeah. Hey, hello. Yeah, they go have a look. Too slippery. Too slippery. Good swimming? No swimming?
Bye.
See ya. Sampai jumpa. Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Oh, we are totally going through that. Over the bridge. Just to do a U-turn. And go through the water. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we have arrived at our hotel in Amed. Now, keep in mind that last night we were in a quite expensive hotel. It was about 150 bucks a night, and there was some bug problems and all that kind of stuff. Guess how much we spent for this place? Now, we've still got a view. Still got an amazing view. We've got a hammock. We've got a little outdoor area with a fridge and everything like that. We've got two beds, two large beds, and a really nice bathroom as well. Guys, $74 for 2 nights. That's $37 a night. It shits all over the one we just paid $150 for. So don't think just because it's cheap, it's crap. Okay, so we're in a glass bottom canoe, and waves are quite hardcore. Let's get us out of here, Jessie.
No, Deegan would be furious at you. Ooh, look, seaweed.
We've moved to the side a lot.
Oh, we really have.
Alright.
Now let's go sideways, Mum. Come on, you're being a dead weight.
Sorry, looking at the fish. As you can see, it's really wavy out there, so we were out there for about 10-15 minutes max before we came in, and there's also thunder and lightning out there, so yeah, we just had a little paddle and then came back in. Jesse got to do it. He wanted to do it so badly, so now it's done. Tick.
All right, considering we haven't walked anywhere on this trip, we thought we would go for a bit of a stroll through Amed. Not really any footpaths anywhere. Lots of drains.
We spent our spare time eating, meeting the locals, as well as finding sea glass on the beach. Okay guys, so we are almost done here in Amed. Our plan is to go to Nusa Penida. Everybody voted on Facebook and Nusa Penida was by far the winner. So we're gonna try and get our scooters to Nusa Penida by ferry. But the problem is there's very little on the internet about how to do that. So we're gonna go and ask some locals around the area, see if they know anything, and hopefully get some information before we set off tomorrow. We just got to Sunset Point, which is here. And you have to have a minimum spend per person, 125,000 per person, which is $12.50 Australian. I don't know how much we're going to be able to vlog here because there's a lot of music. But yeah, hopefully it's really nice. You get like an armband and everything like that, and it looks quite big and family friendly. There's a pool. So yeah, let's go check it out. Great cocktails, more locals, and an epic view of the sunset. What better way to enjoy our last night in Amed? Little did we know it would be more memorable than we thought. This rat decided to wake Luke up by standing on his ear and then proceeded to run around the room.
Legit, this little guy crawled on my ear in the middle of the friggin' night and he's running around our room.
Remy. Bye, Remy.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, that sun is right in my eyes. So this morning we are going to Nusa Penida. We're really hoping to get on the ferry. We don't actually know if we can or not. We tried to talk to someone last night, but there was no one available in reception. So we'll try again today. If we can't talk to anyone in reception here, then we're just going to make our way to where the ferry takes off and start talking to people there.
Yeah. Do you know, can we get across to Nusa Penida with our scooters?
I don't know about that.
Don't know, that's alright.
So with absolutely nothing solid planned, we set off and hoped for the best.